Okay, the third video is just one problem. An online music store sells 4,000 songs in a day when it charges $1 per song. The store decides to increase the price of the songs by 5 cents each. If they do this, 80 fewer songs will be sold for each price increase. For how many price increases should the store stop this procedure, and what's the maximum revenue? There it is. Any problem you're finding a maximum, you draw a centered parabola. And we know that the way to find the x is to use opposite of b divided by 2a, and the way to find y is just to replace x in the equation. Now I need to write an equation. Now this has nothing to do with gravity. This is revenue. To find the revenue you raise of anything, it's the price you charge multiplied by the number of items that you sell. Then get this r out of here and put y. I need to see a y. And then I replace this with 2 parentheses. Now go find your money amounts. You have $1 and you have 5 cents. Those have to go together. So $1 is your starting amount. That doesn't have x. That's the one time. And then you're increasing by 5 cents each. So increase plus 0.05, but since I do that repeatedly, I go up to $1.05, up to $1.10, 15, 20. Eventually it'll stop because people will stop buying because it's too expensive. But I do put X on that because I don't know how many 5-cent increases there are. Then cross those out, and then what else do you have left? You have 4,080. Read the problem. It says 80 fewer, so that'd be minus 80x because I don't know how many times that happens either. Now, this is in factored form. You need an a and a b. Well, you need to multiply this out. So blank x squared plus blank x plus blank. It's going to be a trinomial. Now, you can FOIL, and that will give it to you. But FOIL leaves the possibility for careless mistakes. So on a story problem, I want precise answers. So I go to a Google search. And I'm going to Google Math Papa Algebra Calculator. Okay, comes right up. Okay, and what that does is allows me to multiply expressions. So I have a parentheses and then a 1 plus 0.05 x. You just put the letter x in, then close the parentheses. Now you don't need to do a times operation. You just open up a parentheses right next to it, and they'll know you want to times it. So 4,000, don't worry about the comma, minus, okay, 80x. Close the parentheses and hit calculate, and that's your trinomial. Negative 4x squared plus 120x, and then 4,000. Okay, now I have my A and I have my B. So the opposite of B would be negative 120, and then 2 times negative 4, which is negative 8. Now I divide negative 120 by negative 8, and that's 50. I'm going to say this right now. If you get a negative right there, you did it wrong, okay? Simple as that. This should be positive, and so should that. These should both be positives. And then I just replace my x's with 15, okay? Once I get my x, very easy to find y. So negative 4, 15 to the second, plus 120, 15, plus 4,000. I got 4,900, and that is the maximum revenue. 15 is the number of price increases, so we don't need that. We need the maximum revenue, $4,900.